everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Hello. And I have an unenveloping and I am so excited to be sharing this to you. It's my delayed gratification. Is that what you would call it? So this came from the wonderful Beth and from Whimsical Daisy. And Beth has created her own wax / mud. See, isn't that cute? And so she asked if I could try it, and I know you guys have seen this probably on other channels, but I am trying it, and I have a little competition tonight for it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? So it comes in this cute little container. I love how she has these little designs on the top. It didn't come with any instructions, and I was told by her that I can stab and dab. And so I have a pen here. It is empty. You can see right there. And I have A-B drills. Sparkle. Woo-hoo. Okay, so I'm actually going to pour them into my Archer's Arts tray, which had a wayward drill in it. Let's pour into here so we can see it better. Okay. And then I'm going to take the tip of my pen, and they smell delicious. I'm trying to picture, I can't remember what smell. Can you smell it? Beth, what smell did you give me? It's divine though. I want to use it as chapstick. So I'm going to stab and dab. Okay, so it's in there. You guys see it? Okay. So I'm going to bring you over here. We're going to try this out. All right. So here's where I'm going to place them. All right, let's get you close. Oh, it came out. Now, that's probably not Beth's fault because this wax is known, not the wax, the AB drills are known to not like any type of adhesive. So let's try this again. All right. So right now it's not working for ABs, but let's get normal drills out. And let's go to town with those. All right, so I've got, let's see, over here, this little area, right in here. And let me find the right drills. So it's 3828 is the color. Just dab and dab just to make sure that I got some in there. And here we go. Okay, ready? Oh yeah, let's go to town with this. Perfect. So yeah, don't judge the wax or the mud. I love that she calls it mud by the ABs, because I have yet to find something that takes fresh adhesive or wax or mud or whatever you want to call it. Now, once I do several of these and get the wax a little bit conditioned, the mud a little conditioned and kind of dirty, then it'll have hopefully enough friction within it to, whoops, phantom drilling, work with the ABs. And that's what I found in the past. I can't use clean adhesive. So yeah, that worked out really well. And so I'm going to keep drilling, and I will get back to you on how long this lasted. I'm going to drill for a while. So I will see you in a millisecond. Take care. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Like I said, I was going to go test out this wonderful mud that comes from Whimsical Daisy with Beth. Please see the description down below for her Etsy site link. I did turn around Miss Queen Elizabeth because I was done with that other side that we tested the ABs on. And I just wanted to show you all of this black, or it's actually brown, 3371. All of this was not done until now. And it was on one stab of the wax. So I just wanted to show you right now is where I needed to start a refill, and I just wanted to give you that heads up. So check out Beth's Whimsical Daisy. And Beth, you got to tell me, what scent did you send me? Because this scent is absolutely phenomenal. And there weren't instructions. Does it need to be sealed? I'd love for you to come and share down below. Smell vision. Oh, but it's like that's it. There were 2 stabs. One for the AB that popped out, and one to fill the pen a second time. So check her out. Highly recommend. I'm going to keep trying this and seeing, you know, how long it lasts. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and check out Whimsical Daisy. Bye-bye.